back to my channel. Today I have a quick unboxing. I'm excited for this plant, so I will link all the information down below so you can see. I bought it from Etsy. You can see the seller. The seller has an Etsy and also an Instagram. Look at that. So when I first opened it, I see this thank you card. Such a cute card. And a little note. Emily, thank you for your order. If you're happy with your order, please let me know by leaving me feedback. It means a lot to me. Very nice. And then super cute succulent sticker. Let's see. I have to do this with one hand, guys. It's a pretty big. I think this is a 6-inch. See if I can grab it. I'm trying to make sure I'm grabbing it from the bottom. I believe it's potted. I think that's what it feels like. It feels like it's potted. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Look. I thought the price was awesome. The total, I believe, with shipping came out to $20. She was having a sale at the time when I purchased it. But you're gonna see, and I see that it comes with a baby. Hold on, guys. I'm excited. Let's see if I can, look at that. Very well packaged, very well. Okay, I'm gonna put this down for a second. Sorry, look at this beauty. She's amazing. This is I think they call it tiger aloe. I'm not sure. I will post the name down below. Let me undo this here. Very well packaged. Guys, look at the pups on that. Look at that. I'm already gonna have multiple plants. Cool. Very, very cool. So I'm excited about this and I can't wait to pot it up. Hey guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and pot her up. Can't wait to do that and just look at her. She's such a beautiful plant. I decided to show myself real quickly because Melissa, the Succulent Home, said that I should show myself more. So here I am, guys. Let's pot her up. And I'm gonna change obviously, the setup so that you guys can see what I'm actually doing because we're here to appreciate this beauty. So look, hey guys, here I am, ready to pot her up. She could go in a bigger pot. At least this one is deep and her roots are not really big, as you can see. So I think this pot will be perfect for now. So I don't really have any concerns with that. And then the babies, I'm gonna go ahead and place them in one of these. And then I'm gonna leave those out here. This plant, I haven't decided where I want to place her. I mean, she's really pretty. It's a type of plant that you would like to admire all the time. So I don't know. I don't know if she will keep her beautiful structure inside. I know Carmen has, I believe, the same plant. I will link her video that she did on all her aloe collection so that you guys know who I'm talking about. But Carmen did she did a video of her aloe collection, and she had one that was very similar to this. So I'm gonna ask her. I know that she has like a little porch where she has her plants. So I'm gonna ask her what kind of light she's been getting there and if she saw any major changes in the plant while the plant has been there. So yeah, I need to tip her and try to clean, like just tap all the soil that's between the layers of the plant. So that's all I'm doing over here. I was just getting all the soil that was stuck in there on the sides. And as usual, guys, I'm using my the cactus soil that I purchased at Home Depot, and it's called Miracle Grow. Oh, I just broke a little root. So pretty. Just gonna hold her into place so that the soil can fall where I want it to fall. Trying to keep her in the middle. Very quick potting video. I can't believe how many pups she came with. I think she said that she believes she saw only, I think, 1 or 2 pups when she first got it. And then when she was packing it to send it to me, she was surprised to see so much more. So I mean, for today, I'm gonna put her inside while I do some more research on her, and then I'll decide where to put her. And there she is. I gotta show you guys a better view of her when I'm done doing these. These are easy. I know these will do well out here. I have a bunch of aloes out here. I was looking, I'm like, I have a pretty decent also collection of different aloes that I should share with you guys, you know, so you guys can see all the different aloes that I have. And yeah, they all do well, so. I really never had an aloe die on me, only the one time when I removed, a while ago, I removed some pups, I guess. I'm assuming that that's what it was. Then I got a lot of rain, and I don't know if the plant, because it had like fresh wounds, if it's because of that. These were already loose, so no visible wounds on that plant. Oh, it's still hot, guys. Very hot. I believe she made a post that she might have gotten, I think, 1 or 2 more of these. So if you do want it, you'll have to check it out quickly as soon as I post this video, because as soon as I saw Carmen share her aloe collection and I saw that, I'm like, oh, I gotta find one, because I just love the way it looks. It looks like art to me. So it's just such a beautiful plant. Okay guys, I'm all done, and now I'm just gonna show you guys what she looks like. There it is. And then here are the pups. I'll be placing over there where I have many of my plants that do well in like bright lit areas. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna place those. But look at that beauty. This was 6 inches, guys. It was a 6-inch pot. Well, it is, right? Still, but I'm just saying for reference so you guys can know. It wasn't a small 4-inch. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check the info box below where you can find the information for the seller. Thank you guys so much. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.